I'm your humble host and grammar detective, Paul Duke. On this show, we investigate your English mysteries. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get started.
Hi, Teacher Paul. This is Leonie.
This is Kenta.
I have a question for you. I know it's okay to say, do you mind taking my picture with the CN Tower in the background or with the Rogers Center, with the Eden Center? But why can't I say with the Yorkdale Mall? Or what about Niagara Falls? Can I say with the Niagara Falls in the background?
Mr. Paul, please help us solve this English mystery.
What's the difference here? In these phrasings, these are places that we can visit and they have the article the in front of them. But over here we have other places we can visit and they have no article. So we're wondering, Ryomi and Kenta are wondering, why do we put an article here but no article here? First of all, what is an article? Well, it's either the or a or an, right? Well, these are pretty similar. So let's put a slash. And I think you've heard that we use a or an depending on whether this is a noun that has a vowel like an egg, or a dog has a consonant, right? And these are called the indefinite articles. They're not specific. This is called the definite article because it represents something specific. What I want you to understand with articles, though, and one of the challenges is, of course, some languages in the world that you start with, some of your native languages, have no articles in their grammar. So when you learn English and you have to understand articles, it's challenging. I understand that. I believe Japanese is a language that has no articles. So for the Japanese learner, learning how to use the, a, and an is a challenge. And I want to help you with that. One thing you need to know about articles is that they go in front of nouns. Which nouns? Well, every time you use a noun, you have to think about it. Every noun you use may get a, an, the, or no article. You have to make a choice. How do you make that choice?